Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get Aviator Predictor app activation code. To do this, simply open any of your browser on your PC or laptop. Currently I'm using Chrome browser and simply search on Google Aviator Predictor GitHub space Dr. MACSH and press enter. After this, simply click on any of the link and open link in new tab. After clicking on it, this will appear. Simply, you just need to remove all of these text till prediction full, and after that, simply press enter. And when you press enter, here you will see Aviator Predictor app. As you can see, how to play, prediction tools, setup, how to download, everything will appear. Simply, you can download this app from here, and after that, when you come to usage, here you will see after launching the login screen will appear. Here is the username that you need to enter, and here you will find the password. You can find out by pressing forgot password. Simply click on forgot password and you will find your password there. After logging in, enter seed of the latest game and in the last game seed section and click on next button. As you can see, all the instructions are given here. Simply follow these instructions and you will find your activation code.